in the world, there are many, have a lot of festivals. Like in the USA, we have a lot of festivals such as Christmas and Halloween. First of all, I would like to pay my highest respect to teacher and good morning to everyone. My name is Pham Sravin. I am a student from level 5 IEP program at the University of Cambodia. Today, I'm so excited and nervous also to stand here and talk about my favorite festival in Cambodia. There are many festivals in Cambodia. We have Khmer New Year, Chum Ban Festival and Water Festival. However, my favorite festival is Khmer New Year. So, I would also like to ask everyone, what is your favorite festival in Cambodia? Okay. For me, my favorite festival in Cambodia is Happy Khmer New Year. In Khmer, it's called Bon Choi Chnam Khmer. It usually takes place from April 14 to 16. This national holiday is the biggest moment of celebration in the country. Cambodian people part in the festival and celebrate with our family. Khmer New Year lasts for 3 days and each day have a special meaning. On the first day, in Khmer it's called Maha Sangkran. In Khmer it's called Maha Sangkran. On this day, we welcome the new year by cleaning their house, wearing new clothes, staying at home and welcoming the Khmer angel for the new year. In Khmer, it's called Tatua Tevada Chnam Thmai. And then talk with parents about the second day. On the second day, it's called Virat Wandabot. On this day, we give gifts to our parents and grandparents to show our love and respect. Example like money, clothes, food, and fruit or drink also. And then we go to the pagoda with family. Many people play traditional game at the pagoda with each other. On the third day, it's called Virat Langsa. Especially in the morning, we go to the pagoda again and offer food and fruit to the monks and receive blessing. We pray for good luck and happiness in our family. So, what I love most about Khmer New Year is happy everywhere. Villages are full of music, laughter, and smile. Cambodian people play traditional games such as Choi Chung, Bang Kun, Yak Ang Sai, and the Nam Structure. And in some places, people play water fight on each other and then in the street, and we enjoy time together. My New Year is not about fun, but it teaches us important values to remind respect to others, to have order, and to be thankful for what we have. It gives us our Khmer culture and traditional alive, which make us proud to be Cambodian people. In conclusion, my New Year is my favorite festival because it brings happiness and love to others. It is spend time with family and welcome bring the new year by full of hope. Finally, thank you for listening.